Greetings. Today is January 28, around 1:24 or 1:25 in the afternoon, uh, 2024. I'd like to make an announcement regarding to our RTN BCF or RTN Business Consulting Firm as CEO, and for the best team, I'd like to make a clarification and information that is vital to our success, because in every single event that we had or we're going to, we never charge beyond the sponsorship for the food, drinks, tarpaulin, fare, and some for technical support from our actual event. And at the same time, I like to make very clear that all of the money that we're receiving, if there's any excess, we even put this for the Angel Helping Hands. In short, wala po sa amin ni isa sa grupo ko na tumatanggap at nakatanggap ng pera para po kami ay kumita. Lahat po ng ito ay gusto namin mangyari sa point na mag-bridge, mag-match, mag-guide sa pagitan ng investee and investor, at saka po para sa mga clientele and service provider, sa mga joint venturers. Sa lahat po ng events namin, kami po ay 0 peso take home. Wala po sa aming kumikita, at kikita pa lang po kami kapag naitama namin ang pagkakataon sa pagitan ng mga nangangailangan at mag-provide. Doon pa lang po kami kikita. So madali pong salita, we're not making this event for a living or even just to earn. So kung kayo po ay meron natanggap na registration fee or charges, anything na may RTN, BCF, hindi po para sa amin yun. At hindi kami ang gumawa in the first place. At ayaw po namin yun. At the same time, kung meron pong gumamit at gagamit ng logo namin o ng aming mga kapartners, kami po ay nagbababala sa inyo na ito po ay inyong tanggalin at huwag niyo po itong gamitin nang wala pong pahintulot, dahil po mismo ang aking company ay hindi po gumamit ng walang pahintulot. We are very dedicated persons para po sa inyo pong mga needs, but at the same time, we are very careful, and if anything that go beyond to our agreement, lahat po ng pagkakataon iti-trash out namin. Pero if we need to go to legal process, we're going to do it para po sa protection and assurance po ng bawat isa. Ito po yung aming kailangan gawin. So kami po ay nagpasalamat sa inyo, but at the same time, please do not take advantage of our openness, of our generosity, of our service that is almost, I could say, totally free, no? Ito po ay para sa ating mga nangangailangan, especially sa mga entrepreneur po natin o sa mga kumpanyang pong need to scale up. Yun po ang aking masabi, at have a nice, blessed day po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat again. God bless po. Bye.